Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Areas, and today we're doing another unboxing slash review for SkinStar. It's September's box, so let's open it up and see what's inside. So here's the box. It's pretty big, it always is this size, with a little ribbon on the side. So let's open it up. It looks like they changed up quite a few things. Like, normally this is just bare with some information, but it looks like it has the products shown on the little tab, and they also have it on top right here, and how to use it right here, and what they are, like soothing and vitamin peeling and anti-aging. So it says cleansing, skincare, and intensive care. So this is a heavy box. I'm gonna put this down in a second. Just gonna open this up. And they've changed the inside too. Like, there's usually a little pamphlet right here with two products inside, like the main products. But now they have this all the products shown for you right here instead of a little bag of the products that are usually planted right here. So let's go in and see what's inside. I'm just gonna grab from left to right and see what they are. First things first, this is Essential Herb Tea Tree 70 Foam Cleanser. So it looks like they put the box in the order that you're supposed to use the items in. So for how to use, it says first cleansing your face with the Tea Tree 70 Foam Cleanser and remove the dead skin cells with the vitamin peeling, and it continues on with the different products. I wish they would have individual how to use for each product like they were starting to do in the last couple of boxes, but it looks like they changed that for a different type of thing, which I guess is okay because it tells you how to use each product in the order you're supposed to use them as from the box, which is still pretty cool, but I prefer to have the individual how to use because I might not use every single product in the individual order that they're telling me to use them in, because my skin is different from other people's skin, and everyone else's skin is different from everyone else's skin, so you might use the products differently. So that is just my opinion. I don't care for that. I wish they had the individual how to use, and I will provide it right here or right here if I find the how to use the individual products, so you can follow on for those instead of having to follow the box, or if you want to buy the product individually from the box or away from the box or whatever you want to say and so on. Before I continue, if you hear noises in the background, it is my roommates. They are home. They usually are gone on Thursdays, but they decided to stay home today, which is okay. And I just wanted to let you guys know if you hear some noises in the background, that's probably them. Next, the BRTC pH 5.5 Vita Peeling Gel. This one, I think it says, let's see, remove the dead skin with the vitamin peeling to finish the basic cleansing. So, sealed up. I think I already have one of these. I think I actually have two of these already. So they do sometimes send you the same products from the last few boxes. Oh, it smells good. It smells like Fruit Loops. All their products always smell like Fruit Loops to me. But I do have like two of these, so I've definitely got to start using them. Next, the BRTC First Ampoule Essence Intensive Treatment Hydra, Burial, and Probiome Complex. Oh, it's a glass bottle. Can you hear that? It's a glass bottle. I was not expecting it to be a glass bottle, but that's pretty cool. I don't know how to use it because it kind of stops going in order. Now that I look at it, it's following the images that's on the box, and this one is the fourth one compared to the third one we're doing right now. So let me see if I can find it real quick for you guys. Build the skin's hydration with Ampoule Essence. And that's it for that. Alright, next. Essence Herb Tea Tree 100 Oil Pure Tea Tree Essential Oil for Soothing Skin. Let's see. Give intensive care with the tea tree 100 oil. So that was the very last product you're supposed to use from what it says in the description. And it's also another glass bottle, but it's a thicker glass, so it doesn't make the nice clean sound that you hear. Pure Heals by Nature Centello 70 Cream. I'm pretty sure that I have gotten this before as well, so I have a lot of products to be testing. And it comes with a little spoon, but I just use my fingers. Who else uses their fingers? I don't like using the utensils that it comes with. It's another glass container, and now looking at it like this, I definitely have another one of these, if not two. So just remember that if you're going to purchase this box, it does come with the same product sometimes. If you don't want that, just look for the individual products that I'll be listing down below. But this box is definitely worth it because it has a lot of products that it comes with. A lot of kind of expensive products that it comes with. Let's smell it. It smells like tea tree. It smells like tea tree. The BRTC V10 Peeling Pad Multivital 10 System V10. I definitely got another one of these. I gave it to my friend because she has extremely oily skin. So I just let her try it out. But now I'm glad that I got a second one because I still wanted to try it. It smells like Fruit Loops. I need to buy some Fruit Loops. Every time I smell these things, I was like, man, I really want some Fruit Loops. We also get little tweezers, little plastic tweezers that comes with it, so you can peel the pads off of the pads. I just use my fingers. So next is Pure Heals by Nature Centella 80 Eye Cream. I also got another one of these as well. So this one actually tells you a description of it on the back and how to use on the back of it too. Most of these are in Korean, so you can't read them unless you know Korean. I don't, so it's nice to see that it's in English. It says, with your finger, lightly pat the product around the eye area morning and night. It says, give intense care on eye area wrinkles with eye cream. So I'm guessing it helps with wrinkles, which is great because I do got some wrinkles underneath my eyes. It's hard to see because I'm wearing makeup on right now, but I do got some wrinkles majorly on this eye than this one. So this will be my blessing. But I did get a second one of these. This is my second one of this. Next, second to last product, the Cliv Retinol Lifting Ampoule Premium. I'm guessing it's after that layer that the skin's elasticity with Ampoule and strengthen it with skin's water barrier by using the Centella cream. So let me open it and see what's inside. Oh. It's also glass. And it has a little dripper that goes with it. Now for the last item. It's the Cliv Retinol Lifting Ampoule Mask. Lifting Ampoule fills the gaps of sagged skin to make tight and elastic skin. It's kind of funny that we're getting these products because my husband was just recently talking about how he's been getting more wrinkles on his face because he's been getting them around his smile lines and how he doesn't like them. And now we actually got anti-aging / wrinkle reducing products in this box, which we haven't gotten in the last few boxes at all. So it's kind of like ironic. We were just talking about that. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh, comes with quite a few of them. I was expecting only one, but it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these little packs of face masks, which is great because we can test them on this channel, and I can use my husband in the product testing too. So that's great because he really wants to test these items as well. So it shows you on the back how to use them, but it's still in Korean, so I'm guessing it's to wash your face, put the mask on, leave on for 10 to 20 minutes, and then take the mask off and then wipe the product in, or massage the product in. So yes, we'll be trying out these products. Just gonna put this back in its box because I don't want to lose any of these. And we will test them one of these Thursdays or Sunday maybe with my husband. So yes, just gonna put this back in the box because I don't have any more room on my table. And that was the last item in the box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like me to see me test the face mask video or test the face mask in a video. Go on and tell me down below. I probably will do it anyways. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Oh, like, comment, and subscribe. It smells like tea tree. Pull you closer.